Hey guys, Matty Miller, Pursuit Property Management here today. And we're going to go through some things of what makes our property management systems go. We have a lot of systems that we use and a lot of full-on management services that we put into place for you to manage your rental effectively. And I want to break those down, and that way you can see what sets us apart from the rest. All right, guys. So the first thing that a lot of people ask is, hey, what is Pursuit Real Estate? Well, realistically, we're a property management company and we're a real estate company, and that's what we are. But we also know that owning a rental property can be a great investment, but only if it's managed correctly. Here at Pursuit Real Estate, we don't just manage properties. We help owners build wealth, make informed decisions, and really help grow their real estate assets. That's our goal. Whether you're a seasoned investor or renting out your first house, we'll handle the details so you can enjoy that property, make it profitable without having all of the headaches that go with it. Everybody that you've met with property management has horror stories. We're here to eliminate those horror stories for you. So commonly, the first thing that most people ask when they talk about property management is, what is my cost? And here we are a full management services company here. We do offer a couple other packages, but our full service is designed to handle everything from tenant placement to rent collection to maintenance and to record keeping. So you don't have to. Makes it a lot easier when someone's doing it for you. And let's be honest, that's what you're paying us for. So we do the tenant screening and placement. We do maintenance coordination. We do the rent collection and all your accounting, year-end tax reports. We just got through tax season here, so we've emailed out a bunch of information and help people get all that stuff ready to go. So we're really giving you peace of mind that everything is being handled in that regard for a flat fee of currently $139 a month at the moment per door, with the exception of a few things. When we have multiple properties in one place, we can often provide a discount. So that's our full management services package that we offer. If you have any questions about that, we can get to that later. All right, so not every owner needs full service management. Some people really like to be involved with their rental properties, and we offer that. So if you want customized solutions, maybe you only need help finding a tenant, we offer those as well. So we actually have clients that do accounting services, which is bookkeeping and rent collection, and then they manage the maintenance on their own self. So we've done that, and we've also done a lot of tenant placement. So if you are curious about that, you can inquire as well. And again, this is not necessarily a one-size-fits-all. Our property managers here at Pursuit Real Estate can detail something that works for you. So we want to help. Just let us know what you want us to do. A couple of additional services that I always talk about, and these are a couple things that we found over the years that really help our owners stay in touch. So, and a couple of them are preventative, but the main one being here is the HVAC filter delivery. Every 90 days, we ensure that a filter is being delivered to your property in a brown box that also is time-stamped with the address on the filter, ensuring that the tenant will replace the filter. If it's shipped to their door, they get home from work, they see it, they go put it in. If we put 4 filters in the closet, chances are they may not go ahead and replace those when they come home, and they don't think about it because it's not at the forefront of their mind. My thing with tenants is we make things easy for them, so they're easy on you. So that's one of the things. The other thing we do is if you want additional routine inspections, we do that currently for $75. We'll do that as a video-based inspection. It'll just be a quick walkthrough that's 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the size of the house. But those are the other kind of additional services that we offer that are not included in the main package. All right, so the last thing we talk about is some of our highlights in our contract. A lot of people want to see our contract before they sign it, of course. And a lot of the times I want to give everybody kind of the highlights and what's going on in our contract and a few of the key points. So obviously we comply with all fair housing laws and Florida regulations as we require you to. We have licenses to protect, so we want to keep those intact. We do require a $400 maintenance fund, so all urgent repairs can be handled quickly. And that typically is kept as a reserve, but we do keep that on file. The owners do have a final say in tenant selection, but we do handle all the screening and placement, and we'll provide those reports to you and go through those reports, kind of case by case basis. Lastly, as far as the payments are considered, we do pay each owner out typically around the 15th of the month every single time, so you can obviously set your budget up how you see fit. A couple other things, we want to reassure owners that they may control, you're handling the details, but you make the final decision. So it is your rental property, but we just want to provide you with all the information that we possibly can. We want to be proactive when managing your property, so we want to just give you all that information so you can make the best decisions possible for your rental. All right, guys, so if I got you intrigued at this point, and we always want to talk numbers, that's what a lot of people are basing whether they're going to rent or sell their property off of. I have a full-on spreadsheet that if you want to talk numbers and want to know what your monthly income flow looks like, we can break that down for you. I'm not going to go too much into it on this particular slide, but if you want to have a conversation about it, please let me know. We're going to compare the cost and talk about, hey, what could your potential income be if you held onto the property for 5, 10, 15 years, things like that. Just kind of a really solid budgetary outlook for each rental property. All right, guys. So that's a pretty simple breakdown of what we do here at Pursuit Real Estate. If you have any questions or want to schedule an appointment with me to talk about those things, please let me know, or possibly we already have, and that's maybe why you're receiving this video. So if you have any questions, you should have already had the management contract, or if you want to look at that, please let me know. If you have not received it yet, send me an email, shoot me a text. We'll get it taken care of. This has been Matty Miller with Pursuit Property Management, 904-650-3890. Thanks, guys.